Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Steam underscore API 64.dll was not found error code for GTA 5, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just go over to the search bar and then just type in Windows Security. Once Windows Security is open, go over to Protection History, and then now from Protection History, what you want to do is you want to look for something called Threat Quarantined, and it should be right underneath these settings to potentially block. It should be under here, but basically once you click on it and you expand it, you want to look for the affected items, and you want to make sure that it says installed game slash Grand Theft Auto slash Steam underscore API 64.dll. Once you see that, you can go ahead and hit actions and then go ahead and hit restore. And once you go ahead and hit restore, the error code should be fixed. You can go ahead and X out of Windows Security, and then you can go ahead and refresh your browser 2 times, and then you can go ahead and open up Steam, and then once you launch GTA 5, the error code should be gone. You can also do things like restarting your PC right after as well. But once you do that, you guys are good to go. So again, once you see Threat Quarantine and you make sure that it says affected items is installed game slash Grand Theft Auto slash Steam API 64.dll, go over to actions and then go ahead and just hit restore, and then you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.